If you want to disable two-factor authentication on TikTok, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 4. Select Privacy and Safety. Scroll down and find the Privacy and Safety option. Tap on it to view your privacy settings. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the two-factor authentication option. Tap on it and then toggle the switch to turn it off. Confirm your choice if prompted. Now you have successfully disabled two-factor authentication on your TikTok account. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password and being cautious with your login information.